Hey there, health champions. Welcome to Healthism. Today's topic is one food ingredient to avoid that raises your blood pressure. So, stick around until the video ends. Imagine this, you're out with friends having a great time. You're indulging in your favorite meal, a juicy burger, crispy fries, and a cold soda. Everything feels perfect, right? But what if I told you that one ingredient, hidden in so much of what we eat, is silently raising your blood pressure? You may not even realize it, but there's a culprit lurking in your kitchen, on grocery store shelves, and in nearly every restaurant menu. An ingredient that's doing more harm than you might think, especially when it comes to your heart health. That's right. I'm talking about salt, the hidden menace in our everyday meals. Why salt matters. Let's dive into the science. Studies show that too much salt, or sodium, can cause your body to retain excess water. When this happens, the extra water in your blood puts added pressure on your arteries, leading to, yes, you guessed it, high blood pressure. In fact, nearly half of adults in the US are dealing with high blood pressure, and sodium is a huge part of the problem. It's not just the salt you add to your food, it's also in processed snacks, canned foods, fast food, and even bread. The science behind sodium and blood pressure. So, how exactly does sodium impact your blood pressure? Here's a quick breakdown. Sodium pulls water into your bloodstream, increasing the volume of blood flowing through your blood vessels. The higher the volume, the more pressure on your artery walls. Over time, this consistent pressure makes your arteries stiff and less flexible, leading to an increased risk of heart disease, stroke, and kidney damage. The scary part? Many of us are consuming far more sodium than we realize, sometimes double or even triple the recommended daily limit, which is about 2,300 milligrams, or roughly 1 teaspoon of salt. Hidden sodium in everyday foods. You might be thinking, I don't add that much salt to my food, so I must be fine. But here's the catch. Most of the sodium in our diets doesn't come from the salt shaker. It's hidden in processed and packaged foods. Take deli meats, for example. A single slice of processed turkey or ham can pack in over 300 milligrams of sodium. Have you ever checked the label on canned soup? Some varieties have over 1,000 milligrams of sodium per serving. And let's not forget about frozen dinners or even that restaurant meal you enjoyed last weekend. Real-life example, the restaurant trap. Let's talk about eating out. The average restaurant meal in the US contains over 3,500 milligrams of sodium. That's more than you should have in an entire day. Imagine ordering a pizza, a burger, or even a pasta dish. You might think you're making a healthy choice, but those meals are often loaded with hidden sodium to enhance flavor. One popular pasta dish alone can have over 2,000 milligrams of sodium. And if you add a side salad with dressing, you're easily exceeding your daily limit. How to cut back on sodium without sacrificing flavor. Now, the good news is you don't have to give up flavor to protect your heart. There are simple ways to reduce your sodium intake without sacrificing taste. Start by cooking at home more often, where you control the ingredients. Use fresh herbs, spices, garlic, and lemon juice to add flavor without relying on salt. When buying packaged foods, always check the labels. Look for low sodium or no sodium options and aim for meals with less than 500 milligrams of sodium per serving. Key takeaways and final thoughts. By making small changes, you can have a big impact on your health. Reducing your sodium intake can lower your blood pressure, reduce your risk of heart disease, and help you feel better overall. So, the next time you're cooking or ordering out, think about what's really on your plate. Remember, your heart will thank you for it. One small change can lead to a lifetime of better health. Was the video helpful? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Hit the like button. Subscribe to our channel to watch more informative videos like this one. Before you go, you might find some other helpful videos popping up on your screen. Feel free to click on any of them, or even better, watch both to continue your knowledge journey with us. Thanks for watching. Stay heart smart and take control of your health.